Crypto dads, crypto is not just about chasing trends. It's changing how we buy real estate. Imagine owning a piece of rental property with just a few hundred crypto bucks. We're unpacking this today. Stick around.
And Sean, let's hope it's a little better investment than those golf swing repairs, huh?
Absolutely. Everybody, welcome to Dad's Gone Crypto. I'm Sean, dad of two, and I've been digging around in how tokenized real estate lets dads invest in property without the usual hassles. It's a pretty good eye opener.
And I'm Ryan, here to keep us grounded. Today, we're breaking down how crypto can help you buy a home or an investment property. Let's get started, crypto dads. So here's the big picture. Tokenized real estate splits a property into digital shares that you could buy with crypto. Masari predicts this market could hit over $1 trillion by 2030. Think about it as grabbing a slice of a vacation home with Ethereum.
So it's like buying shares in a house instead of stock. That's huge for dads who want to own real estate without the massive upfront costs.
Yeah, spot on. And platforms like Lofty are driving this trend, making property investment more acceptable for crypto users.
The old way of buying a home means endless fees and middlemen. Tokenized real estate cuts that out, more saving and control for your family's future.
So, speaking about fractionalized ownership of real estate, why don't we check out Lofty's website and see what they have to offer?
All right, let me just pull it up quickly. There we go. Okay, so this is Lofty. All right, do your own research. We are reviewing the site, but we have not bought property and we have not bought any fractional ownership on the site as of this podcast going out. So do your own homework. But let's have a look here. NASDAQ for real estate. Okay, cool. Featured in all these fancy things, good marketing. So don't get left behind by the legacy real estate market. So you basically buy a piece of something beautiful and you get monthly returns, right? So you build the future, you reserve, okay, rental properties. These are some of the properties, 16% return on investment. Let's have a look at this little guy over here. Where's this one? Texas, yeah. Let's go to Texas. Everything's bigger in Texas, they say. Okay, so this is the estimated price, $50.94. So the assumption is you would purchase a small fractional ownership. You probably can buy more than just one, but it's obviously in lots of that. And this is your projected annual return, 14%. Okay, let's have a look here. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom for a single family. Here is the offering. And then you've got your property details, and then some more details at the bottom here where you got property leverage, occupancy and status, 1-year lease, $2,950 a month, security deposit, rating A. So that's very interesting.
Very cool. So you're just buying shares of that property for 50 some dollars a token, huh? That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so I just need the man cave part of the house. I'll purchase that part. Actually, a beautiful home, eh? Sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Where's our studio, Ryan? Can we put a studio in there? All right, cool. So that's let's go back to the main site. Okay, cool. Skip the down payment, earn rental appreciation. You can own multiple properties without the landlord's headaches and all that other stuff, some reviews and stuff. So this is basically go through the website, see how it's done, ask some questions. All right, guys, so fractionalized ownership, it's another type of investment that you can get involved in. Do your homework, do your research. There's probably a few of these type of guys around, but you know what? You can start off small, and who knows? Who knows if you're purchasing in an area that the property is very low. You might not have the finances to buy the whole thing, but you can have a small portion of that and hit those booms when the market turns around. So very, very cool. Or perhaps, Ryan, Airbnb. So if there's an opportunity to Airbnb that place out, maybe there's additional revenue you can make over there. I can't really afford a London apartment, type of thing. Okay, this is in America, but I'm just saying maybe there's one in Europe as well. You can have a small piece of that.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Just being able to own shares of a rental property in a simple way like that. I like the concept. That's a cool idea. I'm definitely going to check that out deeper.
And look here, you can even list your own property. Very
Hmm.
nice.
Yeah, very cool. Definitely
All right.
something to look further into. I like it a lot.
Definitely check it out. And I think we need to start looking at DadsGoneCrypto holiday resorts around the world, at least a little share in it, so we can go on holidays for all the stress of crypto.
Absolutely.
Uh, but anyways, it's a smart move. It's like dipping your toe into real estate without actually jumping into the whole full mortgage. So, crypto dads, I have to ask you a question. What is the smallest amount you would invest in a tokenized real estate? Let us know in the comments below. We'll give a shout out next week on our next episode.
So buying a home with crypto definitely takes some steps. Step one, pick a platform that accepts crypto. Propy's a standout. They've handled deals like a $650,000 Florida house paid with USDC.
USDC, a stable coin that keeps your money steady during the deal. No wild price fluctuations to worry about.
Yeah, exactly. Now, step two, choose the property. Some are tokenized into shares, like owning a piece of a rental property. Now, others, you could take full crypto payments for the whole house. And then go to step three, set up a wallet. So, doing a hardware wallet with a MetaMask on top of it is probably the best way to go there. It's compatible with all these different platforms. You load it up with your stable coins or Bitcoin and then verify your identity.
But Ryan, identity verification, I thought crypto was all about staying off the grid.
Yeah, I wish, but not here, not in real estate. The real estate laws, they still require KYC, just like traditional deals would.
Got it. So step 4, finalize it on Propy. Use a smart contract. It's like a digital escrow that handles the sale and the title transfer automatically.
Right. And then the final step, celebrate. You've got property minus all the
Party!
usual headaches. Exactly. So why don't we go ahead and bring up that Propy website and check out what they're all about?
Okay, so we got Propy website. Once again, guys, we found them. So we have no affiliation to them. They're not a sponsor of the channel, whatever. So do your own research and homework on this. We're just showing the possibilities are endless. Now, this is actually purchasing an actual house using cryptocurrency, right? So have a look here. So let's just have a look at some of their pictures. The Propy is a licensed Web3 pioneer operating since 2017. That's the first important part. 4 billion in transactions. That's the second part. So now go and research this and see if that's valid. If it's valid, then you're starting to see if this company is legit. And then as you page down, they're using AI technology to kind of simplify the processes moving forward. Welcome to the closing escrow. So basically, so what would happen is that if you're looking to buy a house with your crypto, you would use something like a Coinbase, and then you say, "Cool, I like this property." Then I would put my money into an escrow on Coinbase, and then when all the paperwork and everything gets done, that will be transferred through to the owners or the guy that basically we sold the house or we bought the house from. So everything's on chain.
Yeah, and these
These,
guys facilitate the whole thing, correct?
yeah,
Like
that's right.
it looks like they facilitate the whole deal. They have section here where they handle the whole thing. Or it looks like they're even listing properties for sale here, huh?
Yeah. So this is WRA, a real world asset sale, $250,000 or 2.54 BTC. But look at these babies. Yeah. 200 BTC. You. That's $20 million. But this is in, let's have a look at this property. Yeah. This is in Honolulu, I think. Let's just have a look. Okay, beds are a little bit small for me. No extra length. Nice the little fridge for the beers. Look at that view, hey? Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's not too bad. Not too bad. I would buy this on fractional ownership, not on a.
Yeah. Let's see. This looks like that sale ended. So did it sell? It sold for $253,000 USDC. Is that right?
Oh, exactly. 9:05 p.m.
And I'm
Okay.
assuming that is what is that, a suite in a hotel or like
Yes, like a holiday
a
house.
loft property? Okay.
It's a home type, a condo, high rise condominium
Interesting.
built in 1970. So it gives the full history as well. Honolulu. Yeah, very cool. HOA fees, $1,206. Wow.
Monthly?
Monthly, 25,000.
That's one heck of an HOA.
You're like, shit. That's, yeah, a couple of crypto investments to pay that off. Whoa, monthly. All right, so let's have a look here. These are the beautiful agents. Might just have to call to do some more research. You don't mind there, right? Victoria, hello. All right, and then these are some of the investors that invested in Propy. Tim Draper, Michael, Andriana, and these guys are CoinDesk, CoinFund, Coral Ventures, and yeah, so these are some big hitters that put their money behind this concept, this crypto concept, and now it's been running for a few years. So at the bottom, yeah, you always just kind of look. They've got something for an agent, something for a buyer, and something for a seller. So, and you can basically read up on you on the courses to understand this thing better, right? And there's more details at the top here, of course, of exactly what happens when you deposit your money into Coinbase. So sell your crypto only when needed. They're using the Propy escrow. You can avoid early crypto conversions that trigger capital gains taxes or repurchase risks. Your crypto remains secure until the deal's done. So pay taxes only if the purchase goes through. So there's a nice little tax little break over there. And then obviously secured by Coinbase Prime. So they facilitate that. And it's nice. You know, you're too scared to put your money in some random escrow, but Coinbase is, you know, everybody knows Coinbase. So at least if I know my money's safe. If there's any dispute, it'll go to arbitration, and at least there's someone you can call. And I think it's not true decentralized finance, but in cases like this, you want to be able to know that you can speak to someone when a property is not going the way you want to.
Yeah, absolutely. Pretty cool stuff.
Very cool.
So here's a quick recap. Tokenized real estate lets you buy property shares with crypto. Check out platforms like Propy, Lofty, or Realty. Use stablecoins to avoid volatility, set up a wallet, and research your local laws.
The big win, it opens up property investments. Dads can get started for less than a car payment. It's a practical way to build wealth and diversify your portfolio.
Yeah, absolutely. Dig into Propy's guidelines or X for real world takes. Small steps now, big rewards later.
All right, guys. So that concludes our show on another diversified asset you can invest in. It's not financial advice, so please do your homework. But it's also that time of the show. That's Dad's Got Jokes. Have you prepared something, Ryan? Are you
Oh, I'm
ready?
sure. I'm sure I could come up with something.
Really? All right. All right. I'll leave the best for last. You can go first.
Well, you know what? I was just thinking about my granddad the other day. I'll tell you, I'm never going to forget those last words he spoke to me. Are you still holding the ladder?
And that's why Ryan is retired. Love you, love you, grandfather.
Sorry, Grandpa.
Thanks for the Bitcoin. Brilliant. All right, yeah, sheesh. I had a bit of drama this week. I took my 8-year-old daughter to the office. It was take your kid to work day. So she walked in and she just started bawling her eyes out, like just started crying. So all my colleagues gathered around and said, "My darling, why are you crying?" She says, "Daddy, where are all the clowns you said you worked with?" Oh
That was
shit.
a good one. I like it.
Well, if your colleagues
True
are like, what?
story, or
Yeah. I'd like it to be. All right, guys. So next week, Raul Dario from Vola joins us again and talks us about decentralized storage with his new crypto venture, Vola Network. It's all about securing your crypto assets and personal data. It could be a game changer.
Yeah, absolutely. Raul's got the details on keeping your family's digital wealth safe in this crazy market, so don't miss it, dads.
That's it, Crypto Dads. Remember, crypto is volatile. Do your homework before jumping into any real estate tokens or property.
And don't forget, like and subscribe here if you don't mind, and join the tribe that's leveling up our family futures.
Share your thoughts below. Let's grow the Crypto Dad crew. And a quick note, if you do have a property anywhere in the world, just please do invite us. we'd love to have ourselves there.
It's been fun, guys. Thanks. See ya.
Take care. Ciao.
The material and information presented in this recording are for entertainment purposes only. Do not misconstrue what you hear as investment or trading advice. Always do your own research. The views, thoughts, and opinions expressed by the guests on this recording are their own and do not necessarily reflect those of DadsGoneCrypto or its hosts.